So 131 multiplied by 5, so $655 for just few minutes of work. You don't need to know anything, no experience needed. As I said, you can do a lot of money online. Hi again, guys, it's good to be back, and happy new year for everybody who's watching right now. We have a new video today, especially for the new year, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online in 2021 as a complete beginner with no experience or skill needed, so you can create income online on a daily basis. Starts from today. If you'd like to learn even more tricks and tips on how to make money online with no experience needed, please subscribe to my channel now and click on the bell notification icon, so every time I will publish a brand new content, you will get notified. So the first thing, guys, that you want to do is to come to this website called Fiverr, where you can find a different kind of freelancer and services such as graphic designs, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, and etc. etc. All sorts of things online when you could do. The first thing we will do is to search for a background removal services. And here you can find a different variety of gigs from all kind of Fiverr sellers that actually they give the service of background removal. They just take the picture and remove the background, so only the product will stay. Okay, and you can do exactly the same. You can do exactly the same to earn money online, guys. Okay, you can see it's $35 for a gig, $5 for a gig, $10, and it's go on and on and on and on and on, and you can do it over and over again to earn money online. For example, if we go here and I just press 50 to 100, we will find an even larger amounts of gigs that people will pay. You can see here they are with feedbacks 228 over 1,000 purchases, multiply by this number, which is 100, and you can do the math along. All they'll do is just add the amount of photos they will remove the background from, and then that's it. I mean, and it's super simple to do. I will show you exactly how to do it. So all you need to do now is to go to Fiverr and just list yourself as a seller, such as like I did, like you can see here. Okay, this is my seller profile. I'm brand new. I don't have any gig yet, and I'm definitely going to do this to earn money online, guys. I can't stress it enough. You see, I provide 100 photograph background removal, okay, for $5, I think, and it's super easy to do. Take like a very few minutes each day. You can do between 100 to 300, like in 2 hours or maybe less, I guess. So, how can you do it? Okay, so now we'll go to Google and we search for this website, background remover online. Okay, this one. You can see www.remove.bg. And when you enter this website, this is the easiest way to do money online, to make money online, guys. Okay, you can see you upload your own picture with a different background that you want to remove, and then this software do everything for you. No experience needed. You don't need to know any photograph editors such as Photoshop and Canva or something like that. Okay, you just need to, let me show you. you can just upload some okay, all you need to do is to come here and choose your photo. Guys, I just wanted to interrupt this video very quick now and remind you to subscribe so you will continue to get useful tips and tricks on how to make money online in 2021 as a beginner with no experience or skills needed at all. Let's get back to the video now. Okay, and then this software will remove the background automatically. You don't need to know anything about background removal. And as you can see, this is without background, only the model is staying in the middle, and you can download it as a PNG, which means you only have this woman, no background, only this model, and you can place it on every image that you want to edit, and you can actually go and do this for other people who are searching online how to remove the background for video editing, for image editing, for ads, and different things online, like for the website, etc. So this is how you can make money online using a very simple strategy. As I showed you. You just go to Fiverr, list yourself as a seller, create a gig, okay, call it background removal, and actually, let's go over here. And actually, let's go over here. Let me show you something. If we're coming back to background removal, and press service options, we will find different things in this area of services that you can actually offer, like, such as retouching an attachment, resizing, filter and effects. So if you know about Photoshop and software such as Photoshop, you can offer this kind of gigs. For this one, you can have another free software, which I will show you right now, and it's called Compress PNG image online, and it pretty much working the same. Like, you just upload your file of PNG, you have JPEG, you have PDF, you have GIFs, etc., and it just compress the image size. So you can upload it, for example, if you have a limit, an upload limit on your images for your website, you can come here and just compress the size of the file, and then actually you can do it for another people again, and making online from that, making money online from that. So that's it, guys. I hope I help you. This way you can do money online as a teenager during quarantine, and or for your spare time from home, for as little as a few minutes to 1 hour, 2 hours, depends on your gig, on how much image removal, background removal you offers, and then From month to month, you can make up to, I don't know, like, let's see, 121 multiplied by 5, and let's go for 500 and maybe, I think more. Let's see. I will open my calculator. So 131 multiplied by 5, so $655 for just few minutes of work. You don't need to know anything, no experience needed, as I said earlier. And this is only for 5. You can offer more and charge more. You can do a lot of money online. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Go down at the bottom and comment. Let me know what part of the video you enjoyed the most and what your takeout is going to be. Once you've done that, make sure to subscribe because I've got an awesome video coming on soon. And if you click on the bell notification icon right now, I'm going to show you won't miss that video because I'll notify you as soon as it gets published. Till the next time, guys, see ya.